Take out a whiteboard. Fix it on the desktop. Knead the white clay into a ball. Press it with your palm, let it stick on the whiteboard. Roll it into thin slices with orange clay, cover it on the white clay ball. And remove the excess orange clay to turn the white clay ball into an orange clay ball. Press on the ball with a toothbrush to form the texture of orange peel. Cut off the lower part of the ball with a ruler. Press a hole above the orange ball with a tool. Knead the green clay ball into water drops, flatten it with the palm of your hand. And press out the vein texture on the green clay with a tool. Stick the leaf on the top of the orange ball and cut off a part of the leaf with a pen cap to make the shape of the leaf more vivid. Stick green balls and brown balls on the orange pit as shown in the video. Next, let's make the door of the orange house. Take the orange clay and knead it into a ball and flatten it. Rub the small ball with white clay and flatten it. As shown in the video, stick the white piece of clay on the orange clay. Cut off half of the clay with a ruler and stick the remaining half on the orange ball. Squeeze the orange clay ball. Cut the disc in half with a ruler. Divide it into 4 parts. And stick it on the white disc. Take green clay, knead it into small drops and flatten it. Stick it on the upper left of the orange door. And press out the veins with tools. Rub 5 small drops of white clay to make petals. And put a yellow clay ball in the middle of the petals to make stamens. Take white clay balls and orange clay balls, roll the orange clay balls into thin slices, wrap the white clay balls. Cut off the excess clay with a ruler to make it into a hemisphere. Knead a white clay ball and flatten it on the plane of the hemisphere. Flatten the orange clay ball. Divide the disc into 8 parts with a ruler. And stick it on the white disc. And half an orange will be finished. Stick the orange on the top of the orange, and the skylight of the orange hut will be finished. Take 2 pieces of yellow clay, knead them round, flatten them. Knead them into strips with brown clay, and stick them on the yellow clay pieces. After the small window is finished, you can choose the position you like and stick it on the orange, and the orange hut is finished. Come and try it together.